How to withdraw WorldCoin to Bybit. So let me show you how to do it step by step. After you open your Bybit app like this, now go to asset. After you come to asset, go to deposit. Now tap on this deposit crypto. So now tap on this search and search for WLD, that's WorldCoin. After you type in WLD, it will give you WorldCoin, select it. So now select this network and tap on this copy button. Now copy the address. After you copy the address or the WorldCoin from your Bybit, now go back and open up your WorldCoin app. After you open the WorldCoin app, now go to wallet. After you come to this wallet, tap on this three dot and tap on this withdraw button. From this option, now select your WorldCoin. After you select the WorldCoin, it will give you option to type in the address and specify the amount. From there, you can tap on this withdraw button. From there, the WorldCoin will withdraw it to your Binance account, onto your Bybit or Binance account. You can use any exchanger, and that's it, guys.